Hi, to find out how to use Face ID to install apps from App Store on your iOS 18 iPhone, don't forget to watch this video until the end. So, as a first step, open Settings on your phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Face ID and Passcode. Here is how it looks. It's right under the Screen Time tab. So open it and then enter your passcode so we can get access to this tab. Now when it's opened, here we can immediately see a Face ID settings. First one is use Face ID 4, then here we got also option of Face ID with a mask and also button reset Face ID. So that means that I already got a Face ID scan. So here to enable this feature, we would need to simply click on the iTunes and App Store in the tab use Face ID 4. So click on this slider to enable it, and then you may need to enter the password from your Apple account to confirm. And this is it. We have successfully enabled this feature, and now let's test it. So I'll go to the App Store and here choose any random application to download, for example this one, and then click on the button Get. Now as a next step, we would need to double click on this side button, which is the power button right here, to activate the Face ID. So let me just aim the phone on my face. And you can see this message that my face has not been recognized, so we would need to continue with a Apple ID. And this is basically it. If your face will be clearly visible, you can easily download applications with the help of Face ID. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.